Oh, that's how that works. In this video, we'll be going over MOXI Present. So what is MOXI Present? We like to say that it's more than just a CMA. You can make great-looking buyer and seller CMAs, but you can do so much more with it. You can create open house invitations. You can create a neighborhood tour if you're a specialist in a specific area. Or you can create a marketing presentation that you can send out to everybody on your social media. The point is that if you can think it up, you can create it here. In 2015, the National Association of Realtors did a buyer and seller generational trend study. You'll notice that 57% of people buying homes are in the Millennial and Gen X age groups. Keep this in mind as I take you through the custom slide creation, because these generations are really gonna like the digital walkthroughs. And 59% of people selling homes are in the baby boomer and silent generations. These generations are also gonna like the digital walkthroughs, but the point is that you'll have the tools to win those listings. So what's next? Well, we're gonna go through the 5 simple steps in creating a presentation. The first 4 of which you do in your business every single day. You fill out the subject property information, search for comparables, sort and edit those comparables, and write your estimate. The 5th step is creating your presentation, where you can reorder your pages, add or create any of your own new custom pages, or add in any marketing one-sheets that the brokerage has created for you. This is your Present dashboard. Here you'll find all of the presentations that you've already created. First, select the Create New button in the top right-hand corner. And it'll ask you the first of 3 questions. The first is the type of presentation, whether it's a buyer or seller. Next, it'll ask you to select a template. You can select no template, a brokerage template that has been created by the brokerage, or if you've saved any templates, you'll see them on the bottom under My Templates. And last, it'll ask you for a presentation title and the listing source. If you're subscribed to multiple MLSs, you'll find them here. So you can select which source your presentation comes from. Now we're creating our presentation. Remember I said we can create a presentation in 5 easy steps? Well, here they are across the top. Your subject property, searching for comparables, sorting and editing those comparables, writing your estimate, and organizing your pages. The first step is your subject property. Here you enter any information about the subject property, like the location information, any subject property information like bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage, any remarks you may have about the property, and the price and sale information. If this property has already been on the MLS or is on the MLS now, you can pull all of that information from the MLS just by putting the MLS number in this box and select Copy. Then we have the search screen. By default, the search uses the subject property to find other listings as close to it as possible. But you don't have to use that. You can search in a number of different ways. For example, you can search by drive time if you want to find a listing within a specific drive time of work. Or if you have specific listings you'd like to use, you can search by MLS number. To add any of these listings into your presentation, just select the Include Listing button underneath the listing photo. Once we've selected all the comparables we'd like for our presentation, we can sort and edit that presentation. You can order your comparables by using the ever-expanding drop-down menu. You can also use a custom sort order if you had a custom sort order you'd like to have these in. Next, we can write our estimate. You can add in a single value or a range, and any expert remarks you have about the pricing of this listing. Now we have the Pages tab. This is where we order the pages of our presentation or add in any custom pages. To change the order of the pages, all you do is click and drag a page and drop it where you'd like to see it. You'll also notice for a few of these tabs there will be an Actions button. If there are any options associated with this page, you'll be able to edit them under the Customize button. This will let you choose exactly what's displayed on your page. Once you've added in all the pages you'd like to see in your presentation and ordered them the way you'd like, you can save this as a template. That way, when you create presentations in the future, you don't have to reorder your pages or add in any of those custom pages again. You can select this as a template, and it will display everything just as you'd like it. Next, we'll talk about how to create a custom page. Select Add Page on the top of the list of pages, and select Create New. The first thing you'll have to do is choose a layout. You can choose a full page if you'd like to have a full page video. You can select a page with a title, an image, and a description next to it, or you can add in a photo gallery. Once you choose the layout you'd like, you'll notice that in each module there are 4 buttons: text, image, video, and more. The 3 most common types of media that get added into these presentations are text, image, and video, so we've made it really easy to add these in. First is text. Simply select the text button and start typing. Now we can add a little formatting, and we have our title. Next we'll add in an image. Select the image button, and you can see all of the images that are in your Present library. If you'd like to add in an image that's not in your Present library, select the Upload button, and you can upload an image from your computer. And last is adding a video. Select the Video button, and all you have to do is add in the URL from your favorite video hosting site, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. Simply go to your video hosting site, copy the web address from the top, and paste it in the text box. Then select Add. This will add in your video. This video will play just like it would play on YouTube. When you're finished creating your page, remember to hit the Save button. Let's give this a name and select Save. You'll now see your new page in your presentation. You've now seen the 5 simple steps on how to create a presentation. Check out the rest of the help documents and video tutorials to find out what else you can do in Present.